Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. In today's episode, we will be cooking Korean fried chicken wings. I got this recipe from Marion Grasby. So, let's start cooking. I cut the chicken wings into 3 parts. I'm not using the tip of the chicken. I set it aside for my arroz caldo later. I'm going to season the chicken with salt and pepper. Mix it well using your hand. Make sure that each chicken will be coated with the salt and pepper. And then set this aside, let it marinate. After marinating the chicken for 15 minutes or so, I'm going to coat it with cornstarch and try to remove excess cornstarch. And do the same for the rest of the chicken. Let's set this aside and we will make our sauce. In a saucepan, we will add soy sauce, white sugar, wine vinegar, hot sauce, mustard, garlic, and chili flakes. So you can see that in the original recipe, I substitute some of the ingredients. We're just going to cook it for a few minutes until all the ingredients will be well incorporated. Set aside the sauce and we are going to fry our chicken. So in another pan, we will add cooking oil. If the oil is hot, it's time to add the chicken. We are going to double fry the chicken to make it extra crispy. For the first frying, it will only take 20 minutes. Remove the chicken and drain the excess oil. This one is the first batch, is the second batch. Let's do the second frying. This will take less time to cook compared to the first one. Or just wait for the chicken to be golden brown. And then that time the chicken is ready. After frying for the second time, let's drain the excess oil using a paper towel. It's time to coat our chicken with the sauce that we made. Since it's Korean chicken, so we're going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. So here is our finished product, Korean fried chicken wings. At the end of this video, I included some clips with its original audio, the unedited version. Don't worry, hapit na ma-cook. You're hungry na? Pwede ba sauce? Pwede dito.
Short yan po rin ito.